welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff Anozie, and today I present to you Max Vista. I'm Jeff Anozie and I'm your favorite real estate consultant right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a fantastic real estate project right here in Enugu, just behind Centenary City. As you can see, this particular property, the fencing work is going on. It is the speed of the work on this estate for me. And see the environment properly built up. There's another estate down there going on there. The access road works very well, as you can see, and this particular estate is seated right behind Centenary City, right here in Enugu State, Nigeria, Enugu South local government of Enugu State. Okay, it's a property built and developed by PWAN Max Limited. PWAN Max is a subsidiary of PWAN Group. PWAN Group is one of the biggest real estate companies right here in Nigeria. And you know, I won't bring to you a property that has not been verified and is verifiable. You can see the fencing work. Fencing work is going on fantastically. And this particular property is a 500 square meter per plot estate, and work is going on in excess, as you can see. Now, this particular estate is just a few minutes drive from Centenary. It's about, say, 5 minutes drive from the estate gate. Okay, it is situated in a properly developed environment, and development is going on really fast in this estate. It is a 500 square meter per plot. Property is registered with a registered survey, and you get also a deed of assignment. The COO is currently on process. This environment is a hub of estates. If you know Centenary City very well, you know that there are over 25 estates popping up within this space. So imagine the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years within this environment, and know the type of development that will be happening here. This place is currently going for just 7.5 million naira now. Just 7.5 million. And you can see the work. The work going on is massive, serious work is going on here. And so the estate development is fast. There will be gardens and landscaping, a general playground, like a central park where people can come out and hang out. Gardens and landscaping, it's going to be a properly developed estate, 24/7 security, and see the environment. You can see houses. Look at houses down there. See, people live in the entire environment. It's a well built up place. Okay, so you can see also there's another estate just directly opposite it. Another estate that is coming up. All right, and so you can see the community of estates. I'm sure you would like to live within like-minded people, right? Within this particular environment. So call me now 00967376668 and let us discuss Max Vista. This estate will not remain at 7.5 million for so long. Now, for those that are going to be buying from this Max Vista this month of August, all right, I'm going to be doing something for you. In the next 12 months, you decide to sell your own plot. I can guarantee you a 25% ROI on your property. So you can sell for 10 million naira within the next 1 year. Okay, so call me for Max Vista. Look at the development going on in the estate. Access road, good access road, just a few minutes drive from Centenary City Estate. So go ahead and give me a call and let us talk about Max